So for students who are interested in pursuing photography or graphic design, but are really unsure about the equipment, if they have access to it or how to use it, I'd say it's not something they should be concerned about because the Creative Lab is here. So I'm Amanda Sayer. I'm a junior photography student in BCD, and I also have an art history minor. So the Creative Lab offers a lot of equipment and means for me to complete all my projects that I do in VCD and photo, mainly because they offer such a wide range of equipment and it's free for all VCD students to have access to. As a photo major, one of the most important things is to just learn by doing and getting your hands on the equipment. So by being able to check out equipment, students are getting exposed to the industry standard equipment they're expected to use after graduation. And it also lets them learn multiple ways to do one project. For example, I'm in motion design and we're learning After Effects. There's also that option to use the iPads and learn Procreate. So you're learning multiple different programs on multiple different platforms, so you're leaving with a much more diverse skill set. I absolutely feel prepared to step into a job, understanding all of the industry standard equipment that I have here because we get exposed to it so early on in the program and you constantly have access to it. Your projects require it. And the Creative Lab also has people who are staffed that are trained on all the equipment to be able to best help you if you're confused on the equipment. And there's a lot of other resources outside of just photo equipment. There's also printers, laser cutters, Cricut machines, a little bit of everything. So you're totally prepared when you have the job after graduation. I think my favorite project is one I'm currently working on right now. I'm in fashion photography, so I'm teaming up with one of the BFA fashion design students. And right now we're completing a lookbook. So they're bringing in all of the garments they have and we're doing a lot of photos, but that project requires a lot of studio space, multiple light packs, lenses, soft boxes, a ton of equipment. I wouldn't be able to do it without the Creative Lab. I have the space to come in and set everything up. I have access to all the equipment here, and it's also a very collaborative space, letting me easily work with everyone else on the team. So the Creative Lab offers a wide variety of equipment. We have professional lighting equipment and Dynalight packs as well as Westcott kits. We also have Nikon and Canon cameras, camera bodies, as well as a multitude of lenses. And also with all the lighting equipment, there's stands, umbrellas, soft boxes, a whole bunch of different reflectors, a lot of different equipment to use there. So Check Room is the platform students use to reserve equipment and then come in and check it out. So the first step is coming into the Creative Lab to sign a contract, and once that's through, you'll be able to log into Check Room. It's pretty simple. You first just make a new reservation, you set where you're gonna pick it up from, so if it's in the Creative Lab or photo studio, then you'd say what day and time you'd like to pick it up, and when you'd like to return it. So for your initial reservations, you can have it for 48 hours. So you'll pick 2 days after your reservation and what time works for you to return it. So I think one really important thing for incoming students to know about the Creative Lab is that I think it's a really fun space, and I think you're gonna spend a lot of time here.